and welcome back to the channel. It is time, I can't believe I'm saying this, it is the end of 2020 and it is time for you and I to look at my vision board for 2020 and see what I have accomplished and maybe what I can bring into 2021. So let's just start with one of my goals. So the very first goal and one of my main things that I wanted to work on for 2020 was building friendships. Now this has obviously been kind of tricky during the situation around the world, given that you're not supposed to really mingle or interact with new people or a lot of people, but I have actually managed to get a lot closer to some really amazing people, and I would say that this is definitely one of the goals that I have accomplished, and I am truly grateful for all the beautiful people that I have around me right now. Another goal of mine was to advance in my career. So maybe you know that I really want to work as a visual merchandiser, and this has been put a bit on the brakes through 2020 because of the whole situation. So wouldn't say I have accomplished this goal, but I am getting closer and closer, and that makes me happy enough. And hopefully in the start of 2021 I can reach this goal as well. I wanted to move, which I did. I'm sitting here in my new apartment, which I moved into in May. And I also wanted to decorate my dream room, which I have started. So I would say I partly accomplished this. It isn't finished and I haven't really redone the whole thing, but I definitely started with a few projects, which you will also have seen through my vlogs and everything. So yeah, maybe 50-50 on that one. Next goal, I wanted to do a road trip to the Dolomites, which did not happen. Maybe next year. I wanted to get a tattoo, and this is actually something that I have not shown you guys yet, but the day before Christmas I went and got a tattoo. I actually got two, so I'll insert a little close-up for you guys to see, and I will also include the whole process in the next vlog coming out somewhere in the beginning of January, and I'll show you everything around the meaning behind it, the process of getting it, everything to do with my tattoos. I will show you guys. I wanted to get in the best shape of my life, and I didn't, but I did learn to have a much better body image and a self-perception of my own body, which I am really happy with now. I feel great in my own skin, and this was also part of the goal of getting in shape. I would say I did get in good shape during lockdown, but now during the winter time, not so much. I wanted to travel far, which I did not. I think no one did. I wanted to buy a drone, which I did, and I did also fly it around a couple of times. I'll insert some clips while I'm talking. This is one of my favorite things that I did this year. I wanted that for so long, and I had so much fun. And it really advanced my kind of videography and kind of my creative side with photography and filming and getting out into nature and really shooting it from different angles. It's just, it made me so happy. It's the best purchase of this year. I wanted to solo travel, which I did on a few occasions. So back in January, before everything locked down, I went to Prague for a few days by myself, which was an amazing experience. I also have a vlog from there. I also went on a solo road trip around Denmark, which I do every year, and this was also a fantastic few days. So I'll definitely recommend to anyone who hasn't done it yet, solo travel at least once, just try it. I wanted to join a badminton club because I actually really love to play badminton, and as a child I used to play a lot and I was quite good, I would say so myself, but that didn't happen this year. Maybe this is something, in case the world situation changes, that I could start on next year. I wanted to visit Bulberg with family. So this is a place in Denmark which I wanted to show to my family. This also didn't happen. I really didn't spend a lot of time with my family this year, and when I did, we didn't have time to go on a road trip. So maybe next year this could be something we could do all together. I wanted to grow my photography account on Instagram. So if you don't know, I have two accounts on Instagram. My regular account with my daily life and my travels, and my photography account for more landscape-ish pictures. And that didn't really happen. I also didn't really post a lot, which is something that it won't be a goal anymore to grow it, but it will be a goal to post more on it and just kind of share my pictures that I take. I wanted to go to Oceansea, which I did. I will insert a picture and some video from that here. That was a dream come true, and it really lived up to every expectation I had of this place, and I definitely want to go back in 2021. This is just a dream place for me. I think I could visit it over and over. I will never get tired of the views there. I also wanted to go to Milano with a friend, which we also did already in January, and it was an amazing trip, and I was very happy that we accomplished that. When I created my vision board, I also decided to include kind of like a quote slash motto slash general life advice for the whole year to work on. And mine was to stop caring what other people think. And the quote I chose is, better to say oops than what if. And this kind of just resembles that I should just let go a little bit more, be more comfortable in my own skin, kind of live my life the way I want to live it and not be limited by other people's expectations or opinions or views or whatever. And I would say that this is still something I quite struggle with. It's definitely something that's going to take more time for me to work on. But I will also say that this has been one of the absolute best year for my personal growth. I really feel that I'm a completely different, not a different person, but a better person than I was in the beginning of the year. I struggle a lot with social anxiety, you might know, and this is definitely, well, okay, the way that everything has been locked down has been absolutely heaven for me. But also, I really feel so calm. I feel very comfortable with myself. I feel proud of myself. I feel happy with the way that I am and who I am. I got to know myself a lot more this year, and I'm just generally a lot more happy and a lot more confident and a lot more stable than before. And this has been such a great year for me to grow and really look inside and work on the things that I needed to work on. So I will definitely take this personal growth with me into the next year, and I will keep working, and I hopefully will share a lot more of that journey with you guys, because I think maybe there's a lot of tips that I could give, or just personal stories to share that maybe inspire some of you guys or help some of you guys. So that's all I want to say with that. I don't want this video to drag on for hours. I could talk about this for hours though, but I won't. I hope you guys have had a beautiful New Year's. I hope you're having a good start to 2021. I wish you all the best. Thank you for the support in this past year, and I will see you very soon. Bye!